B.Sc Marketing is a 4 years course. That's 8 semester program, 4 years program. This is the first semester, or these are the first semester courses you are supposed to register, including just 105, because the marketing is not a science program. That's why 105 is added here. You know the reason I'm pointing it out, to avoid confusion, including others. They are all compulsory for you. At this level, you are supposed to pass all of them. 3 credits units, you pay 2005 for the course material. 2 credits units, or 1, you pay 2000 naira for the course material, and you pay a flat fee of 1004 for the exams, for you to sit for the exams. So after registering your courses with these amounts, you will also have to register them for exams. There are video tutorials on that, on how to do that too. Okay, then the total fee, this plus this, give this amount here, and that means you'll be paying 29,000 for the registrations, and 36,000 is the standard for all new intake. That's the first semester compulsory fee. Is 36,000 for you for all new intake for degree programs, and that amounts to a total of 65,500 for first semester 100 level. Then you have second semester for 100 level, and these are your courses. They are all compulsory. If you had a carryover, as if you failed one from first semester, you can bring it here and register. That's how it works in now. You don't have to wait for first semester 200 levels. So you put it here, clear it, and keep going. Same methods of calculating the fees. And here you have 18,000, no longer 36. From second semester 100 level onwards, your compulsory fee becomes 18,000, no longer 36. And it continues until you graduate. So your fee for 100 level second semester is 41,000, unless you had a carryover though. So then 200 level first semester, these are your courses, and they are all compulsory. You are supposed to pass all of them. You can see they are mostly 3 credit unit courses. Then if you are a direct entry student, you will have to go to 100 level and pick GST 107, because it's compulsory for all new intake direct entries. So you add it to your courses. If you could not be accommodated in this semester, then within the 24 unit credit units, then you go further, maybe at 300 level you add it, or any other level where you have less than 24 credit units, you add it. The fee for this semester, 200 level first semester, is 45,500. That's the total fee. Then 200 level second semester, these are your courses, and they are all compulsory. You must pass all of them, that's what I mean. And you have a total fee of 44,500. Then 300 level first semester, these are your courses, within just 302, which is compulsory for you. You have to register and pass all of them. That's why it's in 21 of 21. And the total fee of 44,500. If you have any carryover, you may add here. At least you can take one more course before reaching 24 units. If you have an outstanding course or carryover, then we'll have 300 level second semester These are your courses, and not all are compulsory, but you are required to pass a minimum of 15 credit units out of these 17. And your total fee if you registered all the 17 is 40,500. So if you end up failing one of the electives, you may not need to retake it. If there are no electives, and you try and pass all of them, that's the safest way. Then this is your final semester, 400 level first semester, and these are your courses. You are expected to pass all of them, register all of them, and pass them. That's why you're seeing 1919 here. And your total fee is 41,500. Then we have second semester, which is your final semester. You have these courses to register, including your project, 6 credit units, and it amounts to a total of 18 credit units. You may add any outstanding course if you still have one or two. You can see up to 6 is left, 6 units are left, so you can add them. Project costs 15,000 and you don't register it for exams, so you have a total of 9,000 for this semester, unless you had any other carryover to add. So in the end, you have registered 178 credit units courses, and you are expected to pass all of them, or a minimum of 175 credit units. That means you can only fail one among all these courses. Maximum of one. One that is either 2 credit units or 3 credit units. If you fail more than that, you retake it. Therefore, direct entry 138 is required for you to become a graduate, a degree holder. So if you have reached the minimum here, your name should appear in the next graduation list.